Every day, I remind myself why I choose this course. I didn't choose it just for a job. I choose it because I want to help people and make community safe. Hi, I'm Shelmay P. Garrido and we are criminology students. Growing up, I always admired police officers who serve courage. I want to be like them, someone who protect, someone people can trust.
Studying criminology is not easy, but it teaches me a lot. I learn about law, crime, prevention, discipline, and to understand people. I believe this means it will help me solve real problems in the future. Crime, fear, and lack of justice are real issues in our culture, and I know that through this course, part of that solutions. As a reference, I think brings me closer to the person.
One person who inspired me is Dr. Jose Rizal. He did not use weapons, but instead, he used his knowledge, his words, and his love for the country. Rizal fought for freedom by being brave and educated. He showed that a hero is not just someone who fights, a hero is someone who stands for truth. That message stayed with me. As a student, I want to use my education the right way, just like him.
In my daily life, I try to live with discipline. I study hard, practice good habits, and I prepare myself for a good future.
Becoming a police officer is not just about wearing uniform. It's about character. It's about choosing honesty even when no one is watching. It's about being brave, calm in every situation. I know this path is not easy, but I'm willing to work for it.
As my dream future officer, I took third after the training. Sometimes I get tired or stressed, but I remind myself of my purpose.
I want to protect my family, my friends, and my community. I want people to feel safe when I'm around. I want to serve with respect and kindness. And that's the kind of police officer I dream to be.
So today, as a criminal student, we will make our own bench.
Use the knowledge in criminology to promote justice. We will serve with discipline, honesty, and compassion.
We will protect the weak and stand for what is right.